Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix the fingerprint scanner not working on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro. If your fingerprint scanner isn't working, go into settings and scroll down to security and privacy, then device unlock, face and fingerprint unlock. Delete your fingerprint, then re-enroll it. Tap and change positions every time you scan your fingerprint for a full scan. Then press Done. Make sure your surface is clean. Grab a microfiber towel, clean your screen, and retry. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.